If this is your posture at the moment, because you're reading or because you have the habit of doing this, consider that for every inch your head goes forward, the muscles of your neck and upper back have to support 10 more pounds of weight. 10 more pounds for every inch. Having a forward head carriage is not only aesthetically unattractive, but it can also lead to early osteoarthritis, degeneration of your cervical spine, disc herniation, and so on.